guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things Monday to makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you my Ipsy original unboxing, unbagging for the month of March. So if you want to see what came in this big old bag, because I did get an add-on, then let's go ahead and just get right on into this. So when you get an add-on, they send you a big bag and then your little bag inside. So we'll go over add-ons at the end. So this is my little Ipsy bag. So if you don't know what Ipsy is, which always make sure you look in your bag because I did have a product outside of my bag. But if you don't know what Ipsy is, you get a bag every month. It is currently for March $14 a month, but it is going up for April to $15 a month, plus a $1.99 handling fee for 5 sample size beauty items guaranteed. You're only guaranteed sample size items. You do usually get full size, at least one, but you're not guaranteed any full size. You do get to make one choice item around the 20-something of the month because the date changes every month. Your profile will let you know what date that is. And this is the bag for March. So it's feels like a faux leather bag. We've got sunflowers embossed on it. And then we've got like a little sun looking thing, which it says Ipsy. Yeah, it looks like a little sun. And then on the inside, it's just white. I don't love this bag. I love sunflowers. But like I just don't love this bag overall. You do always get a card. Where is my card? Right here. Which goes over the theme, which for March is Do Less, Glow More. Find your light again with nourishing skincare, warm earthy colors, and simple moments that ground you. Because when you slow down, your glow shows up. On the inside, mine does go over all of my products, but I do have those listed in front of me as well. And on the back, it talks about the Anastasia Beverly Hills edit that is currently in the store. I don't want that, but it's got $157 value for that edit. And then we have our sneak peeks, which should be in next month's bag, but it just says coming soon. So we have the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder in Flushed. I don't like these products. I just don't like the texture on my face, so that's a no from me. We have the Dr. Jart Ceramide Skin Barrier Moisturizing Face Mask. I have used this face mask. It's nice. I don't mind it, but I think I would want to go with the fragrance, which is the Sol de Janeiro Agua Mystica Hair and Body Mist. I have never tried a Sol de Janeiro body mist, and I don't know what the notes are on this guy. Probably a more aquatic-y scent, which is more up Ian's alley than mine. But I'm currently in the mood for fragrance, which we got a little fragrance in this bag, so I'm excited. But out of these 3 products, I would go with the fragrance, but I wouldn't be mad about the mask either. I only have 3 face masks currently, so we're gonna start with my item that was outside the bag, which is the Pear Nova Lid Focus Brush. So this is what she looks like, just a pink handle. It's a lid brush. It's soft, but like densely packed. This retails for $18.50, which is wild for one single brush. This small tapered eyeshadow brush gives you total control for packing on color, defining edges, and smoking out liner. Use it wet or dry to build anything from a soft wash to a full impact statement eye. This is not listed on Pear Nova's website. I tried to look it up. But it's the shape of brush that I would use for my outer corner color. I currently use this brush, so literally the same shape. So I don't mind it. I'll use it. Like I said, it's soft, but it's dense, so I think it would be good for blending out my outer corner. because it's small. It could be good for the under eye, but I get worried about my under eye. So we got a brush. I'm gonna stick that right in my brush cup. Now into things in the bag, we're gonna start with this guy. The Glow Recipe Toner Pad Trial Set. So in here, you get 3 sets of 2 pads. So you're trying all 3 of their toner pads that Glow Recipe has. So this is the brand new do-it-yourself toner pads. Each ultra thin pad is designed to stay put while it treats with watermelon to exfoliate. Which one's that one? That's this one, the LHA and AHA exfoliating toner pads. Then we have Guava to brighten. That's this one, the vitamin C brightening toner pads. This has caffeine, guava, and glutathione. And prickly pear to help repair and soothe. And this is the PDRN Repair and Soothe toner pads with prickly pear and Centella asiatica. Mix and match and multitask your way to a fresh, glowing complexion. So there's 6 pads here because there's 2 pads in each. A regular tub of any of these is 60 pads for $30. So these 6 pads would be $3 is how I retailed that out. I'm excited to try these. I love a good under eye pad. And it says you can put these on your under eyes. You can put them in the center of your forehead because it's just a big circle pad. So you could put it like right here on your cheek so it's not like completely on your under eye. So I'm excited to give these a go. I love a good toner pad. I'm not mad at getting those at all. I wish we would have gotten more, like maybe 2 of each of these, but I am excited to try them. I want to do the fragrance last. This was my choice item, and I don't know if I want to keep it. This is the Manna Kadar Pink Mirage Eyeshadow Palette. This is full size, which this guy is tiny, fits in the palm of my hand. This is what it looks like. It is cute. It retails for $18. It features a mix of blendable shades and wearable tones that work for any look. Smooth powders apply evenly and build effortlessly. This is not listed on the Manna Kadar's website either. I feel like I have these tones in other palettes, and I don't like these tiny little palettes. So as much as I want to keep this cute little guy, I think I'm gonna just put this right back in its box and throw it in my giveaway drawer. Because I just don't think these tiny little palettes are for me. But it was my choice item. I didn't like a lot of the choices. I also didn't take a screenshot of my choice for the Ipsy glam bag. The Ipsy original. You need to be a better YouTuber. Now let's see, what do we got? Oh, this guy. We have the Ofra Cosmetics eyeliner in the shade Go Green. This is $13. This is also full size, so it is a pencil, but look at that beautiful green. This is a creamy, long-lasting eyeliner pencil that delivers rich color with an easy glide and a smooth, precise finish. Water-resistant formula applies effortlessly and then sets to stay put. So we are going to swatch this because, ooh, it's got a little bit of shine to it. Like not quite shimmer, but satiny. I don't really like pencils in my waterline, but I want to give this one a try because I think the color is really, really pretty. I love that green. Let me get that off my hand before it sets down. And last, but certainly not least, we have the fragrance that I got. It is just a little, like, tester size, but it's still a fragrance. This is the Maison Louis Marie No. 15 Vanilla Infini. Infini? Yeah, not infinite, Infini. And I didn't even get a price on this guy. So this is 1.5 mils. I'll have to do a price on this to get you the price for my whole bag. But full size of this is 50 mils for $100. That's what this bottle would be. The top notes are citron and evening jasmine bloom. The middle notes are heliotrope petals, tonka bean, and sugared amber. And the base notes are cashmere oud, vanilla flower, and cloud musk, which sounds delicious. I again wish we would have gotten a slightly bigger size, but are you gonna spray? It's not spraying. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to take this off and transfer it into another little container because I do want to use it, but it's not spraying. So I can't even smell it to tell you how I feel about it. I love that for me. So let me figure out price and I'll be right back. So my total bag value comes out to $53.25. Not the best bag value, but definitely not the worst. I'm not mad. I'm mad that this won't spray. That's what I'm mad about, but I'm not too mad at anything else. So let's get into add-ons. I just purchased one add-on. And that is, this box came destroyed. So I'm very much hoping the products are fine. But it is the Too Faced Dream a Little Dream set. I paid $12 for this add-on. It retails for $40, so I saved $28. So it comes wrapped up. So we have the Kissing Jelly Gloss, which I've never tried one of these, but I've heard amazing things. And this is in the shade Pink Sherbet. So it's a juicy lip oil gloss hybrid. So it says it should smell like a tropical beach, buildable and blendable. The lip oil has one swipe, sheer candy color and shine. So, ooh, it smells like candy. So there's the gloss. And then the blush, which looks like this, is in the shade Candy Clouds. It's a vegan and cruelty-free, ultra smooth and velvety formula. It came intact, yay. Cloud-like kiss of color. So there's the blush. Well, that's pretty. So I'm super happy with this. I've heard really good things about both of these products, and I figured for 12 bucks, I could not beat testing them out. So that was what I got for my add-ons. So, and I figured saving 28 bucks was a pretty sweet deal. So that is going to do it for my March Ipsy original unboxing with my add-ons. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.